Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to edit and view text from right to left on Google Sheets. To edit and view text from right to left in Google Sheets, those are the steps that you need to take. First off, go to Google Sheets and open the spreadsheet where you want to apply RTL text direction. RTL is right to left. Highlight the cells you want to apply the right to left text direction. This can be a single cell, a range, or an entire column. There's something you need to note. As of now, Google Sheets does not have a direct option to change text direction to RTL. The text direction settings available are mostly for left to right languages. However, we can work around this limitation. And what's the workaround for RTL? Enter text in a language that uses RTL scripts, such as Arabic or Hebrew. Google Sheets will automatically display and align the text according to the language RTL direction. Let's do that. So I'm going to enter this Arabic language. Now I've entered that. So Google Sheets, you see, will automatically display and align the text according to the language RTL direction, which is here. So to simulate RTL text direction, this is what you can do. Select the cells where you want to apply RTL alignment. All right, then click on the horizontal align icon in the toolbar, which is okay. We're looking for the align icon. So here we go. Now this looks like line to line. Okay, so then go ahead and click on right align. This is center, this is right. Now this will align the text to the right side of the cell. So for example, I'm saying this is a text and I just go ahead and click on this and I click on right align and that's it. All right, so but then for Google Sheets is pretty much automatic, so you don't really have to stress yourself. And you can also use functions or scripts to manage RTL contents better. For instance, you might enter text in a right to left format using formulas or import text from RTL sources. So that's pretty much it. So for you to adjust RTL languages, if you're using Google Sheets in a language that supports RTL, such as Arabic or Hebrew, the interface and text direction should automatically adjust to RTL when you type in those languages. So changing the entire Google Sheet interface to RTL languages will naturally apply RTL text direction. This setting typically changes based on the language of your Google account or specific document settings. And if your text is entered in an RTL language, it will display correctly, and you can use the alignment options to better visualize how the text appears in your sheets. Google Sheets does not currently offer full support for RTL text direction settings directly within the auto interface, but for full RTL support and text editing, consider using Google Docs or other tools that have built-in RTL text direction features. So you can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.